Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to create an alliance in Last Asylum Plague. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create an alliance in Last Asylum Plague. So first of all, in the main screen you'll have the alliance button. At the moment I don't have one, I'm having some problems with my account, but in the bottom of the screen you will have the create alliance. There you need to enter your alliance name and choose a unique alliance tag, usually 2 to 4 characters. Of course, you set your alliance requirements, of course, pay the required creation cost if the gem required 1. Of course, you have, as you can see, your money, in-game money in the top left corner. Gems, as you can see here, which you can, of course, go also and buy. When you pay, of course, tap to create to establish your alliance. After creating the alliance, you can invite players, friends, etc. Some tips: creating an alliance is fun, but joining an established activity alliance is usually the faster way to progress. So you might go and see if you can maybe join an alliance rather than go and create one and start from scratch if you want, of course, fast progress. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.